And a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're doing an intense game of bike tag in these warehouse factories. And yeah, I'm gonna start out no bike throwing. And yeah, you just gotta tag the other person and whoever's it is it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 29, 30. Alright, let's go. Here we go. God. Oh, there it is. Where's he going? No. Tag. All right, you ready?
This is bullshit. Oh, I got him. No, I didn't. You.
Yeah.
Got him. That was a throw. That was a glide. You're it. You're it. Skirt. I'm coming in hot. Oh, you think you're slick? Come here. Woo. Oh. I'm going to get this bad. It's gonna really went under the shit. Oh my god. Bro, you already checked out of me. You're it. One.
I'm not worried about you, big boy.
Yeah, this is rough. I hate it. I'm really bad.
He's in. He's counting to 30. Come on, John. John, I gotta show you my slickness real quick. I'm just gonna give you a warning now. Yep, there's one. Oh man.
That's stinker time.
That was that. Are you? Don't even try to run.
What? Huh? He didn't take it. Huh? John. Yeah. You got me? How the fuck did you get up here? Jesus Christ. Idiot button.
It's alright. Oh yeah, it's go time. 4, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30. Alright. I don't know, I know this place like the back of my hand. Dang. I never even saw that. Place got hit by lightning or something. Where are they at so you can make this interesting? I'm looking behind me. I'm not seeing anything. Only other on you like a hawk.
All right, I got him. He's trying to wheel me, you piece of shit. Got him.
Alright, I had to make it interesting, so I had to go straight towards him. But I'm it now. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's go walk him down. I see him. Up. I'm gonna catch him over here. Oh, we're in incognito mode. They don't even see me. 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 Okay, just draw. It's cool. I already got on like 3 times. It's gonna make the content boring.
You can get me. I fricked up my shoe. I gotta fix it.
Alright, I gotta change it up. You're it.
What's up, Steve? I don't know his name, but his name's Steve now. Ready? Are you gonna do this, Irvine? Yes, I am. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, oh my god! Oh. Well, listen, that would have been your time to get away. But, get you some.
We doing stuff? Oh, you piece. All right. Dude, you got a gnarly stain. Yeah.
It's from the puddle.
Oh, is it?
It's from getting the puddle.
All right, I'm gonna get this kid. Which way are you going, you heifer? Got you. Got you.
Stay right there.
Oh!
GoPro again?
Oh!
Alright, as you saw in the previous clip, big man fell. So Vince chose to be it, so he's got 30 seconds right now.